Let's do our basic system mat. I like to start with a half roll back. So we'll start with a half roll back and bring it up. Inhale, exhale as you go back. Inhale up and exhale, go back. Inhale up. We're going to lengthen those arms. Let's roll all the way down. And we're going to start by doing the 100. Keeping those knees bent. We're going to lift the head, neck, and shoulders. Reach those arms nice and long. Maintain that tailbone heavy on the mat so it's not curled up. Keeping it down. And we're going to take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Inhale, lift one leg up and exhale and leg up and exhale. Both legs up towards the ceiling and exhale. You can lower those legs a little bit and exhale. Inhale, exhale. You take it as low as you can maintain the back nice and flat on the mat. Inhale and exhale. One more, deep breath in and exhale, and bend those knees into the chest. We're going to lengthen those legs out, or you can keep those knees bent if you have a hard time rolling up. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, reach forward. And inhale, take it back. And lengthen those arms. And head, neck, and shoulders up and forward. Reach. And back. We're just going to do one more. I'm going to bring those arms by your side. I'm going to bend the right knee to the chest. Lengthen the leg up towards the ceiling. And we're going to cross circle around and up. Cross around, then 2. Cross around, then 3. Cross around, then 4. Cross around, then 5. Reverse. Down, cross, then up. Down, cross, then 2. Down, cross, then 3. Reaching the bottom leg long on the floor. And hold. Bend the knee. Lengthen out. The other leg goes up. Straight up. Maintaining that leg on the floor nice and long. Cross circle around, then up. Cross around, then 2. Cross around, then 3. Cross around, then 4. Cross around, then reverse. Down, cross, and up. Maintaining those arms long, reaching down into the mat. 2 more. And 1 more. Bend the knee, lengthen the leg out. Arms go up. Let's roll all the way up and forward for your rolling like a ball. Move the hip slightly forward towards your heels. Hold on to those legs. Let's pick up those legs and balance, keeping the spine nice and curled and long into that upper case seat. And we're going to roll back and lift up and balance. And inhale back and exhale up. And inhale back, exhale, lift. Inhale back and up. 2 more. And 1 more. And take the hips a little back. We're going to roll all the way down, pulling that right knee into the chest. Lengthen the other leg up. Keep those elbows out to the side. Shoulders are engaged. Lengthen the leg and switch. Pull and switch. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4. 4. 1 more. 5. Both legs in. Arms and legs. Inhale up. Exhale. And 2. Circle around. And 3. Single leg stretch. And pull, 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 pull. 2, 2. Both legs up. Hands behind your neck. You go as low as you can maintain it. And lift. And down, 2, 3, and pull it up. And 3. And 4. crisscross, and 1, and switch, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and both legs in. Legs are down, lengthen out, arms go up, head, neck and shoulders, roll all the way up and forward, and for your spine stretch forward. You're going to flex your feet, arms long, inhale, exhale, reach, and inhale up. Maintaining the torso nice and long as you reach forward. One more.